So he has. We have this article where he says these 5 NASDAQ losers could rebound in 2023. So number one, methodology for these picks is going through the worst performing stocks in the NASDAQ 100. So I mean, that's a great place to start, I guess.
I guess this would be like me saying, what I'm going to do is look through all of the people being released from the occupational therapy section of Swedish hospital near my home to best predict who can run a marathon. Right. We're going to take the real people really taking big hits and people that were car accidents, we're going to make them run a marathon. That's what he's after here.
So this quote, out of the NASDAQ's biggest losers, I think Qualcomm, Lam Research, Micron, and Airbnb will work this year, although not necessarily the first half, he said, adding, and don't forget Illumina. So it's, just the structure of how this plays out, where it's like, oh, I think they're going to work this year, though not necessarily the first half. What does not necessarily the first half mean about what I should buy when and what I should sell when? Like, how is that even advice you could follow? What are you following? What are you doing with it?